Hey there, and welcome to part 2 of our marathon seat covers video series. Today we're going to do the installation of the front seats and the center console, so stay tuned. First step is the headrest. So you want to put your headrest on with the long tongue side in the front and just gently massage it down. These covers are designed to fit like a second skin, so they're going to be a snug fit. Make sure that the seams of our seats align with the seams of our cover. Pop your headrest up and out, and then the flap on the front, fold it to the back and put a little tension on it and just tuck it in. And there you go. You got a nicely fit, snug headrest. All right, so next we're gonna do the driver's seat. Everything we're just gonna do on one side. It's the same process for the other. But before we do the driver's seat, we have to unhook the bungees that secure the back flap of the seat to the bottom. So let's go ahead and do that. Now that we have the back seat flap unhooked, we can go ahead and put the backrest cover on. You'll want to install it with the tongue side facing forward. That's what's going to get tucked underneath between the two cushions. So just gently slide it left and right, wiggle it side to side as the cover makes its way down. You can massage it top to bottom, and that'll really help it get into place. Make sure that the seams of your cover are aligned with the seams of your seat. Now here's an important step. At the very top of your backrest, there are these unfinished holes, and they need to be pushed and kind of manipulated gently underneath the bezel. Just little by little, work it all the way around, gently pushing down, and you'll see that the raw edge perfectly fits underneath the bezels. Once that's done, we're ready to tuck our front flap between the backrest and seat cushions. You can see our flaps have stuck out between the two seat cushions. We're going to leave that like that for now, and we're going to come back to it. But this essentially is going to secure to the Velcro on the back of your seat cover. All right, next we're going to install the driver bottom. The long straps are going to go to the front of your seat. You've got your tongue that we're going to feed through the top cushion, bottom cushion. But first, we want to flip the inside out. Align your outside corner and start pushing your back flap between your two cushions. The reason why we didn't secure the straps for this top piece earlier is because had we secured that, this flap that we're pushing back, we wouldn't have been able to access and push it all the way through. Front to back, front to back. Before we unfold this corner, take your front strap and feed it through the bottom, making sure to feed above your track bar so there's no interference when you go to slide your seat forward and backwards. We're going to secure this to the back. Okay, so we secured the front strap through the back. Now you can flip this inside corner, tuck the fabric behind your seat belt, tuck it underneath as well. We're going to grab that side strap, feed it through the metal track, and secure it to the back of the seat. All of our front straps, the side straps, they're all tucked in and secured to the back flat Velcro part. Now we just have this little side piece to clean up. So feed it through the top track bar. And same thing, you'll grab it around the back and secure it to the back of the seat. That's it. All right, now we're back on the back side. And if you remember, we did not secure the top half until we finished the bottom. Well, we wrapped up the bottom. Now it's time to secure the top. This bottom flap that is a part of the seat, we've got to curve the bottom inch. We've got to curve it under and in between the cushions so we could grab the Velcro straps and connect it up here. So you curve just the bottom here, enough to where you expose your straps. Now you could take your strap and secure it to the back. Now you'll take these and hook them back. All right, next we're going to install the center console lid. This piece comes with multiple strips of adhesive Velcro. So before we even install it, what we want to do is give the inside of our console lid a good clean with just regular rubbing alcohol. Now that we've cleaned our center console, we want to align all of our seams. And next, on the very back, there are these two little straps. These two straps are going to feed between the back of the center console and where our AC vents are for the back seat. They're going to feed right behind that hinge. So line it up. Nice and good. Seams push front to back and gently feed directly behind your hinges. So now we're going to open the lid slowly with one hand holding our back straps in place. Rotate up. Okay. So that's where they're going to sit. Now we're going to peel the adhesive backing off and stick it. Next, these flaps, we're going to pull them nice and taut. We're going to fold them in. And that's where this adhesive is going to stick to the inside here. There you go. And there you have it. This is the final look of the driver, passenger, and center console lid using the Marathon Cordura nylon seat covers. Stay tuned for part 3 of our video series where we'll be doing the full installation of the back bench and seats. Thanks for watching. See you next time.